Hi everyone, I'm Wendy, and today I'm showing you how to make an easy, sugar-free cranberry sauce made with only 3 whole food ingredients. Of course, you'll need some cranberries. You can use either fresh or frozen. In my experience, they usually come in 10, 12, or 16-ounce bags. Today, I'm using a 10-ounce bag of frozen cranberries. This recipe is very forgiving. Since there's only 3 ingredients, it's easy to simply adjust the other ingredients depending on how many cranberries you're using and how sweet you want it. The cranberries go into a large pot, and next I'm chopping up some pitted dates. I'm using medjool dates today, but feel free to use any kind you like. Cranberries are very tart, so traditional cranberry sauce uses nearly a cup of refined sugar. But we're replacing that with dates. Depending on your personal preference for how sweet you like it, you could add more or less, but I'm going to use 3/4 to 1 cup of dates. Once those are chopped, they go in the pot with the cranberries. Finally, we have an orange. Use whatever variety you like. We're going to be using the zest, so I like to try to get organic if possible and wash the orange really well. So I'm using a microplane to zest the orange, and then I'll set that aside. We'll wait until the very end to add that. Next, we'll add the juice of the orange to the pot. 1 orange is usually about 1/4 cup of liquid. We'll put this on the stovetop, and I'm also adding about 1/2 cup of water and stirring everything around. Be sure to put the lid on because the cranberries will start to burst as they heat up. You'll bring this to a boil, and how long that takes will depend on whether you start with fresh or frozen cranberries. But once it's bubbling, you can reduce the heat to a simmer, continue to keep it covered, but stir occasionally for about 10 to 15 minutes. By that point, most all of the cranberries should have burst. And then you can continue to cook uncovered to thicken it up if needed, but it'll also continue to thicken as it cools. Then you have a couple options. You can leave the cranberry sauce as is for a more rustic sauce, or if you want a really smooth cranberry sauce, you can blend it. I like to do something kind of in the middle, and I simply mash it a little bit with my wooden spoon. Finally, we'll stir in the orange zest that we reserved earlier, and then your cranberry sauce is ready to go. Of course, this is a great addition to any holiday feast. I like it on whole wheat rolls or with my Thanksgiving bean patty recipe that I shared last week. But I also love to spread it on toast or add it to my morning oatmeal. I hope you'll enjoy this whole food version of cranberry sauce. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching. Today I'm showing you how to make my Today I'm showing you how to make an easy